Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today I'm going to do a stupid little test here. It's about free recoil and preloading, because sometimes it seems like if I don't put any pressure on the rifle's buttstock or pull it into my shoulder, it hammers, like same hole every time. And sometimes if I do that, it doesn't. And then if I pull in, it does. So I have a few rounds loaded up here. So let's do 10 shots free recoiling. I'm just gonna squeeze the trigger with the trigger guard. I'm not gonna touch the rifle at all. And we'll do 10 shots on a target, and then we'll load into it for 10 and see what happens. Just kind of curious. Not too sure what'll happen. So let's get our natural point of aim. The free recoiling aim point is gonna be the top left target. Just gotta make sure it's perfectly on there and nothing's touching the rifle other than the finger on the trigger and trigger guard. I have a front bag here. I'm not using the bipod either. So just kind of line this up. Might take a while because, all right, here we go. Got missed off the left side. See if it's repeatable now though. Okay, right there. Dead center. Okay. We're on. Dead center again. Same hole again. Okay. Ooh, that one was right. It wasn't the wind. There is a lot of wind today, but that wasn't the wind. We didn't pick a round up there. That's what happened. Okay, so 70% of the bullets went through the same hole with free recoil. The next 10, I'm gonna preload or pull it into my shoulder, put some good tension on it, and we'll see what happens there. So now we're gonna go top right. Get some proper load into it. Excessive load, actually. It's actually a lot less stable, to be honest. Hang on for this wind. I don't want to screw it up too bad. It's not seeming to let off. Alright, just gonna shoot anyways, I guess. It's blowing right to left, so if we see a really far left impact, we'll know. That's what I thought. Okay, so the free recoiling group is definitely a lot bigger, but I would say the preloaded group, I don't know, it is smaller, but the free recoiling group was almost like perfect every shot except for a couple of those flyers. But then again, the wind is blowing from the right to the left, so I wonder if that had anything to do with it. Anyways, short little video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next week. Take care, guys.